But I know if I fall tomorrow, me not go see half of them. If me not dep on top again, yeah. It's like I know if I fall tomorrow, me not go see none of them. Them not call my phone again, yeah.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Alright, I know Jahmiel is set to release the video for the song They Don't Care. That's the one on DJ Frost Road to Success. And you know some just want to hold a little reasoning about Jahmiel career and in the direction where to go, which me feel like are the right direction. Now, Jahmiel is a youth where him put in the work. A matter of fact, big up to everybody a part of the MVP, Movado, Alkaline and Jahmiel. You see me? Despite the fight where the three artists them a get in a dance hall, yo, them a work and I keep focus and I do them thing. You see me? And I respect that about them. All of them, you see me? But I want to zoom in on Jahmiel career. Because Jahmiel just get a feature in a HBO It TV show. The Ballers. Yeah man. HBO show, you know, produced by Dwayne Johnson. That's The Rock.
Hopefully, my bus will be next to yours.
Yeah, and congrats on the HOF thing.
Wow. Thank you, Reg.
Good. Now, can we stop jerking each other off and get in and out of LA with some money left in our pockets?
What
The fuck, man? What happened to Tiffany? I thought that was your girl. Oh, there she is. You know what I'm saying? Like, Tiffany.
when me no want me no focus pan can't bother with that Jordan. Love the life when me live and me no want this stop, yeah man. So me keep it up like heaven, yeah.
So it's a good look for dancehall and it's a good look for Jahmiel career. And a them thing I'm like see progress, you see me? And people don't bad mind the thing and talk about bag of things. If you're a real dancehall fan, and note me say real dancehall fan, not necessarily a fan of Vendetta or a Gaza fan, me say dancehall fan, y'all go like them thing. No scare what side they say. Everybody a go have them personal artists and know say yo a Gaza me say or yo a Vendetta me say. But deep down you're supposed to love to see progress no matter which side you say. You see me? Because no matter why, you know, I dance all the things. And I am a big fan of dancehall more than I am a fan of these artists. No matter what you say, no matter Cartel nor Movado. You see me? Because what? Dancehall I go there after and before them. But you see Jahmiel right now, me rate how the youth are doing thing and him a focus. Yo, him just a god. Me see him on the stage show them. The people them a react to him. You see me? Him no look deady on the stage show them. Him look lively. Him actually a work the stage. You see me? When you see them on the on stage show them deal with it like how stage show is supposed to be deal with. Boy, Jahmiel, your future look bright. Your future look bright like when I ball them up a stadium. I swear. Me see great things are happening in your career, which it happen right now already, you know. Because enough people feel like say Jahmiel just start DJ, you know. What do you when him go great man and get them hit song, you know. Jahmiel a DJ long before that. Member said Jahmiel used to their own YVP them and Jahmiel used to their own Bogle. Hear me I say Bogle, Jano. Jahmiel used to their own Bugle. You see me? A Bugle them him used to their own as well. And right now, him their own Alkaline and Movado. So it's a good look. Enough people would have question the credibility. I mean a question if it was a good choice being around Movado and the Vendetta fan them because you don't know, you know how it go. You see, when you choose a side a lot of people don't care the good music where you do, but a lot of people still have a hate for you just because the side where you pick. You can't please people because if you did fall out and say Gaza, a lot of people still have a pray because you say Gaza. You see me? But you're one of the few artists them pick your side and people from the other side me say still rate you. You see me? And that is what? Not even hype. That is talent. You see me? You're a talented youth. Go and put in the work and hold the focus. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And you can find me on Instagram. That's I am DJ Chaddy. So that's IAMDJCHADDY. Don't forget to like the video if you like the video. And if you don't like the video, I guess you know what to do. Comment and share. And people, you see, just like DJ Frost, they on the road to success. So right now, me up on the road to 1K subscriber. So you just help me reach 1K subscriber, no man. Right now, me there 300 subscriber. And you know say you know I'm a family, you know. So what? You want your family member to make it. No. So help me for reach 1,000 subscriber. You see me? I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to subscribe as well.
So I keep on winning, cause winning is all that matters. You're my family, my friends, my enemies, go to well.